Hi there and welcome to the Power Site. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at this Steele Mixer. Now these have been really popular in the USA for years with thousands of units sold. And here at the Power Site we're the first to introduce them to the UK. So let's open the box and show you how to put it together. First of all we have the base frame, little sub-assembly, a couple of plastic parts, bag of nuts and bolts, two wooden handles that look like lollipop sticks, and finally the main drum itself. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put these little axles on the drum. So we're going to want 4 of these small screws with the countersinks, 4 of the smaller washers, and as you can see there are also larger bolts and larger washers. We'll put these to one side. We're going to want 4 nuts as well. So the 4 countersink bolts, 4 washers, 4 nuts. That's per side. I'm just placing a washer on the inside and a nut, and I'm going to put all 4 in and just tighten them by hand first. Let's just get that started. That's 1 in, and I'll continue the process 4 times on this side, 4 times on the other side. When I've got all the bolts in place, I'll tighten them up. With the 2 spindles attached and tightened down, we need to fit the 2 handles. So we have captive nuts in here. Now you'll see one with the brass locator here, which is for the lock. So if I put that on the right hand side, that's the way I like to do it. And then when we put the frame on, we'll just locate it accordingly. So bolt and washer through the hole, locate through the other side, just get it started. Repeat the operation 3 times. It really is quick to put one of these together. I think I've been only a couple of minutes so far, and I've been doing it to camera as well, so it doesn't take very long at all. Okay, so with those 3 in place, and the washer spinning around on the table, I'll just tighten the handles into place. That's 1 handle on, as you can see, on the right hand side with the brass piece facing out. I'll put the left hand one on exactly the same. All that remains now is to put the drum in the frames. As you can see, 1 piece construction. I'll just pull this little bolt back out of the way. There we are. Let's spin it this way around so you can see. So what we have here, as I explained earlier, a little brass grommet here on the left hand side as we fitted it. So now they're going to line up, and it simply drops into the little bee nest on the top, and that's the unit assembled. And as you can see, the tilt lock now lines up with the brass hole. Well, as you saw, that took me 3 or 4 minutes to actually assemble the unit. Really simple. If you want to see how to use it, there's a link in the description of a very good video showing it in use. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, simply visit thepowersite.co.uk. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.